Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are calling in from. I don't know, my name is Aboy001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to tap on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see the video whenever I'm dropping the video, and you'll be the first person to learn from the video. Please, I beg you before you cancel this video, kindly stay to the end and watch the video from the start to the end, and you will gain one or two things from it. And to all the subscriber, I really appreciate it. And to all the any incoming subscriber that my video just popped into your screen, please kindly watch the video, kindly subscribe also and watch the video to the end. Stay tuned. What we do here is just to analyze the market, and after analyzing the market, we see what market we react to the market, and we wait for the market to trigger us in. Seriously. I'm sorry for that. Seriously, we did not predict here. We react to the market here, and we are not a gamblers. Before we enter the market, let's move into the fundamental analysis. Let's see what is happening on fundamental analysis before we can put into the trade. This is Forex Factory, and what we are having. And 2 a.m. Trump is going to speak, but what does he say? Due to the speak about the Iran in Washington DC. So US they are trying to the nation to in a television speech on Wednesday night. Let's see what the content of this news. I think when I read the news yesterday that the Iran, the new Iran government is more better than the previous one that was created. So this is what we have. Let's just move to the news and see what news has for us. Okay. Sorry for that too. We are still looking for to around 130 we have unemployment claims. Let's see what we have. They said actually less than for the forecast is good for the currency. So if the actual is less for the forecast, so US will be up. So this is what we are having on what on fundamental analysis. Let's move to the chart and see what the chart has for us. This is what the chart has for us, and you can see on this we started from daily time frame, and this is good. We started from this our swing high, and this is swing low. Markets mitigated this weekly FEG is the FEG that is trying to push it up. So we guys be patient and we guys know what we are doing. So for us to read this structure, we can just read the structure from here. This is let's move let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame, and this is what is happening on 4 hours time frame. Let's just read the structure. Let's just need the structure. Sorry, all this one are from yesterday, previous yesterday market analysis, and what we are reading here. This is market. This is market shift for me. You can see this is market shift for me, and we're having because this is the low, this is the high. Market could have been the low. Sorry for that. Look at the high, and we are having our what? We are having our opportunity here. We are having our opportunity here. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame is trying to tell us. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the break of structure that was trying to go up. You can see this is the break of structure that was trying to go up. And this is what as for me, this is the demand zone. because this is the break of structure here. You can see break of structure and this is another break of structure. But all these demand zone has already been mitigated as for me. So this is what we are having. We are having demand here. And what we are having here, this is the recent FEG that market mitigated. We are having FEG there, 4 hours FEG. You can see the 4 hours FEG. You can see the 4 hours and our stop loss is over here. So this is what we are seeing on 4 hours and market expected it. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. After market mitigated, is trying to go up because all these ones, you can see all this trend market has been giving us what internal. This is the demand that pushes the market upwards. Unfortunately, this is where the on FEG. This is the FEG market mitigated on what on 4 hours time frame. This is what we are because there is supply up. This is the first supply market that is trying to push the market down. This is the supply that is the supply key level that is trying to push the market down. You can see it's the one that is trying, and this is the demand. This is demand, and this is what you can see. This is break of structure to the up, but this is other block as for me. Sorry, but I said I'm not using other block on 4 hours time frame because this is the demand zone that pushes the market up. We can see this is the way demand zone that pushes the market up. But we find other block inside the demand. As for me, this is other block. This is other block. But if market broken this place, this is the main demand. This is the main demand has broken this I has made this supply. So let's see if the market can push up again because what we are seeing is uptrend. And let's move to 4 hours, then 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. You can see all these places has already been mitigated, all this other block has already been mitigated. If market is coming back, market is coming back here because this is the lower higher low that gave us this higher high. So all these ones are just liquidity. All these ones are just liquidity. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what is happening on 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. And this is what we are looking for on 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. Last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. And we are having what? We are having other block here. But due to the 1 hour, this is the 4 hours time frame, I'm still looking for the uptrend. But the best thing to look for this uptrend is because if the market have triggered me in, but if you want to join this market, you guys be patient. You guys wait for market to break this full body candle, retest and continue the uptrend. That is how we are going to join the trend. That is how we are going to join the trend. That is how you are going to join the trend. If you want to join the trend, that is how you are going to reach people because there's still FEGA market is coming to. There's still FEGA market is coming to. So this is 1 hour time frame. The market is trying to. This is where I'm saying we are buying. You can see this place. I'm saying we are buying from here. This is where we are buying and we have already in. So on 15-minute time frame, if you want to join this market, because what market is telling us of 15-minute time frame, the higher time frame is the main key level to follow. 15-minute time frame just this is what 15 minute is telling us what is telling off in a downtrend, and this is the other block market gave us. But if you want to join this market, we just to join this market, this is just to join this market, just wait for the market to break this the lower low, the lower high, sorry. After market break the lower high, wait for the test and continue the uptrend inside this supply again. Let's see if this supply can still hold again inside the supply again. This is what I'm still looking on what on good. So let's see what is happening on silver also. This is what is happening on silver as well. This is the weekly FEG market mitigated, and this is the swinger, and this is the swinger market is in between. So what we are doing now, let's move to 4-hour time frame. This is the supply zone that's pushed the market down. You can see this is the supply zone that pushes the market down. But what we are in now, this is where we are in. This is where our analysis in yesterday. You can see this is the resistance market mitigated. After market mitigated this resistance, so this is not valid again, and this has turned to what resistance again. As for me, this has turned to resistance again. This is the main resistance now. You can see this is liquidity market swept. As for me, I think market want to continue downtrend. Seriously, because this is the last break of structure. After break of structure, market mitigated and continue. Market couldn't push it to go up again. So what we are having now, let's just read this trend. Let's delete all this. This is what we are. This is what we are having, and we are having. We are having on 4 hours time frame. This is the what? This is the demand. This is the demand on 4 hours time frame. You can see this is the demand zone on 4 hour time frame. This is the entire block of structure, and this is the manual demand zone on 4 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to read the structure again. Hope you are understanding. So if you not understand, kindly message me. Kindly, you will see my link on this bio. Click it on that Telegram link. Message me. I will guide you through. So we are just woman. Let's help each other. So for my boss too, if you are looking my video, I need help. So I need help. So if you want to help your guy, you can just comment on my session or DM me also. Seriously, I need help. Everybody need help. For those of you that are using my signal, please apply proper risk management, use stop loss, and 1:3 is okay, definitely. So this is what we are seeing, and this is what is happening. This is the last break of structure market mitigated give us. Market mitigated this way, couldn't break it down. So this is what market is giving us. And market is giving us uptrend, but we must be patient. The reason why I say we must be patient is that this is liquidity trend as for me. If you see my video yesterday, I said this is liquidity trend. But this is the resistance market is. But what we are having now, this is the break of structure on 4 hour time frame. Our market has mitigated it. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. We can see opportunity of 15-minute time frame. I don't know what happened to the record. This 15-minute time frame. And this is what is happening on 15-minute time frame. This is what on 1 hour time frame. Let's see this. This break of structure. This is overall break of structure. You can see this break of structure. Let's see if it retraces. If it retraced, what is 50%? So we are still in uptrend. Sorry, and on 15-minute time frame, this is what the market is giving us. 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. Higher time frame is giving us uptrend, so we must follow higher time frame, because higher time frame is the one that is controlling the market. So all the what is happening in higher time frame, all is the candle that is just printing on lower time frame to join the market, and this is what we are having. You can see this is what we are having on 4 hours time frame. We are still in uptrend. So on 15-minute time frame, the market is giving us break of structure here, and markets, this is where markets expected this other block. So what I will just advise you to do is since this is the other block here, since this is the other block here, if you want to take this buy, since this is our other block here, to take this buy also, you just need break and retest. You just need break and retest also. So let's see if the break and retest can happen. But if the break and retest does not open, definitely the market is in downtrend. You find another opportunity to continue the downtrend. But as for now, so let's follow our bigger time frame. This is what we are. This is the other block. This is where the market is. So let's see if you can see the push to the uptrend. Let's see if they can see the push to the uptrend. You are expecting the market to mitigate this supply again. Let's see if you can see the push to this supply again. So let's move to US30. Let's see what is happening in US30. Let's see what is happening on US30 also. Sorry for that. This is our swing high, and this our swing low market is. But this market is not giving. It's just giving us. These are to follow this market. These are what. These are break of structure. To follow this market, let's just follow this market now. These are recent break of structure to downtrend. Internal break of structure, and you can see these are supply zone now. And if this supply zone is giving us downtrend, this is downtrend. Definitely, we go to smaller time frame. Since data has given us downtrend, we go to smaller time frame to continue the downtrend. Let's just see. Let me see. I place one buy on US30. Let me on US30. I'm placing sell. So let's read the sell now. Since market has been taking this supply zone, let's now move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame does not give us structure to enter. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. As for me, this break of structure. This is break of structure, and this is another break of structure. Internal break of structure, and we are having internal break of structure here also. So I'm seeing this as what? As change of character. Change of character here. Internal change of character. And I'm seeing this opportunity as what? internal change of character order, or change of character order block. So you should be expecting the buy from here, from sell. Sorry, we are expecting the sell from here. This way we are selling. If you want to sell turn in, this is where we are selling. We are selling to down because the market gives us break of structure. Well, let's just sell reach here. This way we are taking our, but let's see what the market is trying to do from here. And we are taking our stop loss. Our stop loss will be here, above this place. So we are selling on US 30 on 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is. This is 15-minute time frame. You can see this is what I have a break of structure here. Market mitigated another break of structure. So 1, 2, this is 3 break of structure that consecutive breaking. So we are expecting the sell from here. This is where I'm expecting the sell to the downtrend. So if you want to place this trade on US 30, you can join this US 30 and place it. And this is what we are seeing on US 30. Let's move to UJ. You can see what we are doing on UJ from weekly time frame. This is what is happening on weekly time frame. You can see this is our supply. And this is our new supply that give us break of structure. But what we did now is because all these things are already mitigated. So we plotted those FEG. This is the first FEG. This is the second FEG. This is the large FEG. This is the smallest FEG. So when we move to 4 hours time frame, you can see where we put there our FEG, which means this market has triggered us since yesterday. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame if we can join this trend. This is 1 hour time frame. You can close this. This is yesterday trade. You can close it. So this is another trade. You can close all this one. I think this is Monday trade. Yes, this is Monday trade. Let's close it also so that our work will be neat. And this is the last break of structure. And let's just read this structure from 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure to up. This is another break of structure. This is another break of structure. You can see the structure. We got be patient if you want to read the trade. You cannot just be reading you cannot just be reading the trend offside. If you are following the trend, definitely just join the trend. If bigger time frame is telling you sell and smaller time frame is telling you buy, follow the bigger time frame. You can see what daily time frame is telling us. Daily time frame is telling us that we are selling. This is the last break of structure and this is the break of structure. Definitely on 4 hours, 4 hours don't give us where to take our trades, where to enter. So when we reach 1 hour, we can plot this break of structure, and we can see change of character here. This is change of character with full body candle, change of character, internal change of character, and we are having change of character other block here. We are having change of character other block here, and we are selling, perfectly selling from here for here. This is where we are selling, and our stop loss will be over here, and we are selling the market down to this take profits. I think to the nearest, let's see 1:3. This is what I see on UJ. You can see this is what I'm seeing on UJ. This is what I'm seeing on UJ. So let's just follow this trend. We are selling. This is where we are. This is where we are selling the market. You can see this is where we are selling the market. So let's see if we can see the down trend again. Let's see if you can see the down trend again. Let's see if you can see the downtrend again. We are selling from here. So let's move to EU. Let's see what is happening on EU. EU on daily time frame, this is our support that indicated. But this supply does not give us break or short definitely. It has turned to resistance, and I said market is going to trigger it, push it down yesterday again. But let's now read the structure here. This is 4 hours time frame. This is where the market is. You can see the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. And you have a change of character from here. Internal change of character, and we are having internal break of structure from here. The market is telling us we are still in downtrend, so let's just see the market and follow the trend. So this was 4 hours is telling us. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame. You can see this is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is what we are having. This is the last break of structure. And what I'm seeing down, we are having liquidity down. So definitely this is change of character order block. Change of character order block. Sorry, change of character order block. And we are selling down from here again. But let's put our entry from this key level. Market may trade at key level again. So our stop loss will be, our take profit will be below this liquidity. Let's see if the market is going to dish us massive profits in this. But this our stop loss will be here over above here. So let's see. This is what I'm looking for. We are seeing massive sell of the on the EU also. So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm seeing on the EU also. We are selling. We are selling on the EU also. So let that let's move to UJ. Let's see what's happening. What is happening on UJ also. This is what is happening on UJ. And time frame, you can see this is the swing. This is the last break of structure swing high and the swing low. And this is the previous one now. This is the previous one. This is the recent break of structure. And let's just read this structure. This is where I'm expecting. This is the demand I'm expecting the market to mitigate it. But let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is the last break of structure, and this is the key, and this it gives us change of character. But what market is seeing now, this is the as for me, this is the last break of structure in internal trend. But what market is doing is giving me this, and I said this trend line is what is liquidity trend lines for me, and this is the last break of structure, and this is the demand market give up. I'm still expecting sell on this, but let's see if the sell can happen because there's FEG here. The reason why the reason why I've not aligned with this buy is because I want the market to mitigate this demand zone and sweep this liquidity. You can see this is liquidity and this is the body. which means this is liquidity as for me, and this is the demand zone that give us my market. So I'm still expecting the market to set this trend line liquidity before we can see which buy to uptrend. That's why I'm still expecting the sell. That's why I'm still expecting the sell. That's why I'm still expecting the sell. Seriously. If you use Fibonacci retracement, that is market has reached our hours. So what market Fibonacci retracement is telling us that market has reached our 7.8, which is our key level, which is where market supposed to reach. So what let's just follow this trend. I'm seeing FEG here. You understand? That is why I'm expecting the sell. But if you see the buy on 1 hour time frame, definitely we will see where we can buy also. Let's see where we can buy also. Let's see where we can buy, because I'm still expecting liquidity to sweep this market. Seriously, I'm still expecting liquidity to sweep. Seriously. That's why I've not asked about what market we cannot control the market. We just respected what the market gave us and aligned to it. Seriously, but what market is trying to do, this is what market is trying to do. This is, you can see internal break of structure here. This is change of character. This is change of character, and this will be change of character. Other block as flip as flip. So let's see if we can if you can see the sell from here. So before we can take the sell, let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us, and this is FEG. If market wants to sell this FEG, so market will come here. But let's just on 1 hour time frame, the market is telling us we are buying. This is what the market is telling us. It's telling us we are buying. We guys be patient on this trade. Seriously, we guys be patient on this trade. This is other block as for me, and the market is telling us we are buying. Let's follow this market. Let's follow this trend. If the market is telling on 1 hour time frame, the market is telling us we are buying. So the market is telling us we are buying. So let's just take our TP here, because there's FEG there. You can see on 4 hours time frame we are having FEG over here. So let's just take our profit here, since it's telling us that we are having FEG here. So this is where we are having the FEG. Let's see if the market is going to push up to this FEG, and this was the sell we are looking for. But if it does not dish us if it does not dish us any sell, definitely we guys be looking for uptrend. We guys be joining the uptrend. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is what 15-minute time frame is telling us. All these ones serve as liquidity. So let's just be looking if we can see the uptrend. If we can see the uptrend. So our stop loss will be here. So let's see if the uptrend is still valid. This is what I'm seeing on UJ. Let's see GU. Let's see what is happening on GU. I think this trade, I think that's close. Let me see, maybe now I think that's close. Chart. I want to see the chart now. Let me see what is happening. This is what is happening. I think it's on 4 hours time frame. Let's see if this market is going to take from daily time frame. This is what we are looking for. This is the daily time frame market mitigated. You can see this is the daily time frame market mitigated. And what we are having now, we are having resistance here. On daily time frame, we are having resistance here. So we are having resistance here, first or second. So this is the resistance we are having on daily time frame. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see the structure. Sorry, on daily time frame, this is our swing. This is the demand, major demand that is pushing the market up, and this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. You can see what market is doing. Market is in between, and market created minor demand zone. This is the minor demand zone, and this is the minor break of structure. Market mitigated it. So let's move to four. Our market give us in that swing as it give us what it give us resistance. This is the resistance. This is the resistance key level. So what market is giving us now? This this major demand zone has broken this recent recent break of structure on 4 hour time frame. Recent supply on 4 hour time. So it has turned to what? It has turned to internal change of character. Sorry, internal change of character. And that internal change of character has give us what? I give us change of character order block here. This is what I'm saying in the market. We do not control the market. We just react to what market is giving us. See what market paint us for. Market is giving us, since you have know the criteria, you have know the what's change of character, you have know the break of structure. Definitely you just be follow what market give you. So market give us break of structure. This is the swing low that market is going. If market reach there, this is our stop. Market will take me out. Market will stop to trade for me, and we are expecting the put buy to this resistance again. So this is our first TP, but this first TP is going to break because there is CFEG. It's going to break, retest, and go up. So this is what I'm looking for. It's going to break, retest, and mitigated this resistance again, because this is our main key level. This is our main key level. I should not like this is our main key level. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. I don't know what happened to my network. You see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. So we guys be what? We guys be patient. We guys be patient. Since we have put our take profit here, take stop trade over and below this. We have put our stop trade below this swing, below this um higher low. You can see below this higher low, definitely we are what? We are in uptrend on 1 hour time frame, and this is what market is giving us. So we are, if market reaches, it will retest and continue the uptrend. So this is what I'm looking for on GGJ. Also, I'm looking for buy on GJ, and on on UJ, I'm looking for buy to sell. This is what I'm looking for. On what? Let's see another pair. On Euro, I'm looking for sell. This is where I'm selling again. This is where I'm selling again. If the market wants to push it, it's going to push it up from here. Let's see 15-minute time frame. So all these ones have as liquidity. You can see they serve as liquidity. So market should come here, continue the option. All these ones on 15-minute time frame, we are seeing liquidity here. This is liquidity. So we are expecting the market to mitigate this, to come back before continuing the before continuing the sell. On GU, we are still expecting the sell. We are expecting the market to come back here before continuing the sell. So on 15-minute time frame, I think this also are liquidity also. I don't know what happened to my network. You can see this was liquidity trend line. So we are expecting huge buy, continuing the downtrend. If forwarding this is going to push it up and continue the downtrend. That is what I'm looking for. But we don't trade like if this want to push it up again. So we are trading like a professional. We are not trading like a beginner. So that's why I say I'm not taking any trade. If I see the setup opportunity, probably wait for your entry. Market should trigger it and continue your go your favor. On US 30, this is what I'm looking for. I'm still looking for the sell. Market should come back here and continue the trend. And on 15-minute time frame, all those ones serve as liquidity. They serve as liquidity. You can say they serve as liquidity. We can say we want to buy from here, but due to I'm not taking any out trade again. So that is why I cannot join this buy. So I will probably wait for the 1 hour opportunity to trigger me in and to go in my favor. On 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 XAU, I'm still expecting the buy to go up. So on 15-minute time frame, what we said on 15-minute time frame, if this buy is trying to happen on 15-minute time frame, we will just wait on 15-minute time frame, break, retest, and continue the uptrend to this supply again. On XAG, let's see what's happening on XAG also. So as I said, if you don't understand, kindly message me. I will reply you. So on 15-minute time frame, this is what I'm expecting again. I'm still expecting the buy, break and retest and continue the uptrend to this resistance again. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's see crypto. Let's see US 30 and US 30 BTC and Ethereum. Let's see what they are doing also. So maybe we can join or we can't join. See the one we analyzed yesterday from daily time frame. This is what the market is trying to do. I think market has shown this liquidity, so definitely market has turned to the buy, has turned to the sell. This is liquidity strength. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. So after liquidity strength, this is what's happening on 4 hour time frame. This is what's happening on 4 hour time frame. So this our position. Let's adjust our position. So market couldn't trigger this position. So let's see. You already know what we see on this is what we are seeing. This is the main supply, but market is in between this swing low and this swing high. And what market created is it created very construction here, and this is the supply. But what market gave us, this is FEG. Market mitigated this FEG. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. Let's see the retracement how it's. So this is 50% retracement. So definitely market has ready for the sell. Market is ready for the sell. So on 4 hours time frame, after we see the liquidity swept of 4 hour time frame, After seeing the liquidity swept on 4 hour time on daily time frame, definitely let's be expecting the sell. This is what we are selling. And this is why we are selling. And this is what is happening inside the market. This is the last break of structure, and this is where the seller enter. We are expecting the sell from here. This is my other block now. I'm still expecting the other. I'm still expecting the sell from there. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. It should give us that 15-minute time frame candle with preference very well. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is what this is last. This is the last break of structure, internal break of structure, and this is the change of character. This is change of character. So we are expecting we are expecting the sell also from here. This is where I'm expecting the sell. This is this reason why I'm still expecting the sell. You can see I'm still expecting the sell around ratio 3. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum has already started the sell itself already. But due to what is happening on BTC, that's why I did not follow. That's why the trend I did not follow what Ethereum said yesterday. I'm expecting the buy from, so market did not trigger is all in, but give us the buy. So let's just skin. So from daily time frame, this is the supply, and this is the swing high, swing low, and swing high. You can see the market is in between, and on daily time frame, market has already given us break of structure here, in which this is valid downtrend for us. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is on 4 hour time frame. You can see market has showed this liquidity, and market has given us what? Market has given us change of character already. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and we are having what break of structure and internal change of character from here. And we are having what we are having here is valid trend, but this is where we are taking our change of character that block, and we are what we are selling from here. I don't know what happened to the network. So we are selling. This is where we are selling. Valid sell from here, and I think profit will be here. So our stop loss will be stop trade will be above here. So this is what we are selling, and this is why we are selling it. And our let's see, you can see this is where we are selling. Let's see it's aligned with it. So definitely on we are selling EU, we are selling Ethereum from there also. This is what I'm seeing on BTC and Ethereum. We are selling on both pairs. So this is what I'm seeing on the trade. Say kindly don't forget to my name is Aboyigi001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see the video. Peace and love. Have a successful day ahead. Have a successful week ahead. And may God bless each one of us. What I'm looking at TV. It has off. So they are connected my system with TV so that I can be seeing the view very well. So peace and love. Have a successful day. Have a successful day. Have a successful week ahead. Thanks.